Alright, I'm not a big fan of these birds, but I don't like leaving anything in distress here. We got a bird that's, if you can see here, he's grabbed a lure on the wire and he's hanging by his beak. So we're gonna go try and rescue him here. See if we can help him out. Okay, buddy. Okay. Easy. Easy. Okay, we got him. He's got sharp claws. I need to get that lure off there somehow. Okay, buddy, I gotta let you go. Let's see if I can get in there. I'm gonna cut that lure off. Get him down first. Keep it safe. Okay. Okay, let me grab some cutters. Trying to get the boat in here so I can hover it and I can grab the guy. Okay, buddy. Okay. Whoa. Easy. It's okay. Okay. Buddy, stay still. Okay, come here. Shit, my trolling motor's not holding. I gotta put the power up here. Okay, bud, I'm getting it. Okay. Come here. I got you. Okay. There we go. We got him. Okay, buddy. Okay. Easy. Don't bite me. I'm trying to help you here, bud. Trying to help you. It's okay. Trying to help you. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Okay, let's get that hook out of there now. Okay, hang on. Okay. How long you been hanging there? Hey? How long you been hanging there? Let me see if I can get that rest of that hook out of there for you. Okay, hold on. No, don't bite me. I'm trying to help you here, bud. Don't bite me. Okay, hang on. Okay, got a little line in there too. Ow, God, he's a strong beak. Bit my finger there. There we go. Okay, let's get this out. Hang on, buddy. One more piece in there. Yeah, there it is, the other side. There, got it. Okay, he has got a very strong beak. Okay, buddy. Okay, see if we can release him without incident here. Okay, you were hanging up there, my friend. Now you're free. Okay, ready? Go. There you go.